Hello everyone, it's Hanny with my Junk Journal Embellishment Challenge number 18, and the prompt is child, and I'm going to make a pocket. I have some stuff here, some background papers. These are digitals, but the printer didn't print well anymore, but I think I can use them, why not? Some pictures of children's books, little cards with children on it. And the sea of child, I like that. I think I'm going to make, I should make a pocket of this one, but I think I'm going to make a pocket, a long one with different pockets in it. And where I can put these little cards in. I can use them. So, and I love this one. These are children, but I can't decide which one I want to use. So, well, let's start. I have book pages over here. So, I think I'm going to speed up. Yes. I think I do this time, because it's still very hot and I have to concentrate on what I'm doing, so talking will be a little difficult for me, because, well, it's a foreign language for me, and, well, I have to think too much. So this time I speed it up, and I hope you enjoy watching anyway. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye bye.